car downstairs. There was a box inside. Hey.
What fucking e-scooter? Fuck me! She did. She's trying to turn this way from that lane. What the? Sorry, I didn't.
Take a shoe phone. Oh my god.
I see her blink. I think.
Book your child's Luna Park birthday party online, stress-free and just for
Oh, what's
I'm Tim Govers with the latest traffic.
building SF straight through a red light?
Is he going to do what I think he is? Oh, you beauty, he is. He's going to go straight ahead. Left lane must turn left. Gotcha, buddy. Good job. Love a good bit of footage.
Yeah.
A few moments later. Yep, that's the one, Bill Tech. That got him a long way, didn't it? Are you waiting for something else? Thank you for the footage.
Hi, Lizzie.
This is fucking right there.
Now at audible.com.au. T's and C's apply. See website for details.
If you're the subject of a dismissal, you're often entitled to a generous tax-free redundancy payment. Unfair employers avoid paying redundancy by artificial.
Oh, really? Dumbass?
The fuck? Oh. That was a little bit red. Look at next time. Fucking idiot. Fucking hell. why you go down very slowly. Oh, you're joking. Oh, Scotty!
Scotty!
I think I got two.
I'm going to hit the button.
A couple of blokes with some wheelbarrows and stuff. She nearly ran into that car. Oh, here we go. She didn't care.
Scotties.
You want Scotty's on that one? Oh, Scotty! What do you say to that?
It's on the reflexes.
Here's one for you, fuckhead.
Click on it! Click on it!
Fucking hell.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only.
Sorry, what can I can't do?
We'll be dropping new episodes of Chappy Chats into your podcast feed every Thursday. Subscribe and listen wherever you get your podcast.
They've got the truck and the manpower for any size move. The early start of handmade bargains, taking risks with online shoppers. It's your creative idea, the right tool and the right gear. Hacker Leather loves the craft makers and the leather good manufacturers. Station sponsor Hacker Leather, bringing your ideas to life with the finest quality leather, materials and tools since 1891. We create what we sell, so shop direct at the Hacker Leather online store and shop ready-made. HackerDirect.com.au.
Every life matters, and at Swanborough Funerals, we believe in honouring life. Take your time to pause and reflect. Capturing the life your loved one lives, special wishes, and amenities. Our family business provides dedicated kindness, ensuring you feel seen and heard in your time of grief. Whether you're pre-planning or organising a funeral for a loved one, it's the traditional sense that sets Swanborough Funerals apart. Search Swanborough Funerals for personal and dignified care. Station sponsor.
Oh, thank you, letter from Bonnie Corporate.
What are they thanking you for?
For suggesting Wilco Painting. They did quality.
The fuck are you doing? Fucking idiots!
microprocessor.
Oh yeah, always one. Fucking idiots.
I'm so bored.
Mean you may be too tired to drive. Recognise the signs and pull over for a break or swap drivers. Don't trust your tired self. Good morning, it's Brody here on WSFM. In Miranda, a crash on Port Hacking Road heading northbound approaching Parawina Road has closed the right turn lane. In Mascot, traffic starting to build on O'Riordan Street on the approach to the domestic airport terminal. In Roselle, roadworks on Victoria Road southbound over Iron Cove Bridge are causing pretty heavy delays.
It's a red light. Do you, kid?
We got one!
A wanker. Another wanker.
There's another one for Scotty.
The Sound Preservation Society. This is the Sound Preservation Society. Get the wheels in line. Get the wheels in line.
There you go, Scotty, a 1934 Chevy for you.
Is this a Scotty car?
It is a Scotty car, actually.
Yes, lucky guess.
Did you see that?
Tell me, how many trucks do you see? I see one, unless I've been drinking. Hey, boy, do it to him. Well, then I must be commode hanging drunk, but I swear I see a ton of trucks